ensure that I remain on course when it comes to self-discovery. Because I don't want to discover myself now. I sit, I know these are my weak points, I know these are my strong points, and I leave them there. There must be something practical that I will be doing now and then so that I'm able to say that, look, I'm on the right track. Number one, as a Muslim, wallah, and especially as a Shia, a lover and a follower of Ahlul Bayt, you need to have a plan in life. What do I mean by having a plan in life? I know we all have plans when it comes to our businesses. We have plans when it comes to our studies. I know. Do you have a plan about reaching Allah and understanding Ahlul Bayt? This is what some scholars mention, al-iqrar wa tasmeem. You have to make tasmeem. Organize yourself. What time I wake up? What time I recite Quran? What time I teach in madrasa? What time I attend majalis? These are very important, brothers. I'm not saying it for saying it. I'm telling you because I know where I'm coming from. When I became a lover and follower of Ahlul Bayt, it changed my mindset. It made me a better person. It changed my thinking. I realized that there is pool of knowledge, oceans of treasures of knowledge in the school of thought of Ahlul Bayt about dunya and akhirah, but we are doing nothing about it. The du'as of Ahlul Bayt alone are oceans to help us live dunya peacefully and go to akhirah peacefully. Oceans, treasures of knowledge. But what are we doing about it? Dua Kumail we recite every Thursday. It's a treasure of dunya and akhirah. It's about mabda and ma'ad. What plan do I have to understand this so that I'm able to connect and affiliate myself with Ahlul Bayt al-Asma wa Tahara? Allahumma salli ala Muhammad. So number one, we need a plan. Plan yourself and say, look, I know how to recite Quran, but I don't understand it properly. Make a plan. You don't want to attend class, you have social media. Instead of using it only for chatting and chatting only, download some good tafsir, good books, read them. You need to have a plan. I always tell people, Shabab, when you do your New Year resolution, don't just make resolution, I want to get married, I want to do this. Make resolution also to improve your status with Allah Azza wa Jal. How many books do we read in a month? How many books do we read in a year? This must be in our plan. So al-iqrar is so important, brothers and sisters, so that you are able to know where you are going and where you are coming. But if there is no plan about Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala, the whole year will come by finish and we'll be sitting the same. You need a plan. Isn't it? We have inherited a beautiful tradition from Imam Amir al-Mu'mineen. Alaykum bitaqwa Allah wa nazmi amrikum. Alaykum bitaqwa Allah. Yani Imam Amir al-Mu'mineen equate taqwa of Allah and be organized and to be in order. Whatever you do, you have to have order. No. I know my weak point is what? My salat is weak. Spend the whole year improving it. Nothing wrong. It's excellent, but you need to have a plan. The way you have plan for your dunya, have plan for your akhirah. You take it slowly and slowly and slowly. And this I'm talking to the youth. It's very important. Have a plan. Because Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala want to see shab, a youth who is energetic in his love for Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Now, number two, once you have this plan, as always, we have a beautiful tradition from Ahlul Bayt. You need hasibu anfusakum qabla an tuhasabu. You need self-judgment. From time to time, judge yourself. And this self-judgment is not only about Allah, even about your dunya. Once in a week, once in a month, every night, when you are about to sleep, you ask yourself, today I've woken up 6 o'clock. I've gone out to work. I came back this time. How many people have I wronged? How many good things have I done? What sort of relationship I managed to build with Allah? You have to do self-judgment. Imam Jafar mentioned, Hasibu anfusakum qabla an tuhasabu, wazinuha qabla an tuzanu. Judge yourselves before you are judged. You need self-judgment, self-audit. And du'as of Ahlul Bayt, ad'iyah of Dua Arafah of Abu Abdullah, Dua Abu Hamza al-Thumali is filled with phases of self-judgment. Ahlul Bayt express themselves towards Allah in terms of how one should self-judge himself. And we need that. And that will ensure that we are on the right track. We are on the right track. We are on the right track. And the third one, which is the last one, is what? In going forward, we have to be very active. We have to pledge to Allah to say, from now, I'm not going to back off. I'm going to ensure that I fully represent Ahlul Bayt alayhim salatu wassalam. And once we have that, be rest assured, brothers and sisters, we will reach the peak of everything that we have. Yes, there are so many challenges today in the world. So many challenges. But we should not allow these challenges to stand our way. When there is a will, there is a way, as they mentioned.